Today is 566th day that I'm here to share lessons I learned and I'm learning. I hope those lessons support your dreams, your goals, allow you to become the person that you want to become. Today I speak about changing your situation. Now, a lot of times people are in terrible stations, some people are in comfortable stations, and some people are in good stations, but still a lot of times people want to change their stations for different reasons. Now, but for some reason they held back and they keep that position for a long time. And of course I will share a few things about why people keep that. Because they are saying sentences that doesn't allow them to take action. People say that, oh, I don't feel comfortable to do that. Or this is not for me. I'm afraid of something. I'm afraid of public speaking. I'm afraid of sales. Sales is not for me. This is not for me. And I remember that I was chatting with this with my mentor, and she said an amazing thing that when people say that, oh, it's not, I don't feel comfortable, the best contest question to ask is, are you comfortable being broke? Are you comfortable being comfortable? Because a lot of times when people quit on options, when they quit on opportunities, they do not understand what they're quitting to. Because people say, oh, like, I really want to change my life. I really want to pursue something different. And after that, when the opportunity comes and shows up, then they have so many excuses. I don't feel motivated. I don't feel inspired. I'm afraid of something. And now, for some reason, they are not able to increase the desire to change comparing to all the things that they have said to themselves. Now, of course, it could be that you were afraid of all those things. You were afraid of public speaking. You were afraid of sales. You were afraid of all those things. So that means that all those things matters. But what more important is that look into where you want to go. And if you want to go to much higher direction, maybe you need to question what you used to say about yourself. Because if you say that I do not feel motivated, that means this is one of the most incremental things that people could say. Because motivation is not coming from feeling. That means that motivation is coming from action. So when you take action, motivation comes. So that means that there is no feeling into motivation. Of course, when you do action, then you get motivation. Of course, that feeling will come. But now, for some reason, a lot of times people think that they need to feel first before taking action. But to be honest, people who succeed in life are who taking action without feeling motivated. If unmotivation comes in, they appreciate motivation, but they do not expect it. And that's what my dad taught as well, that when something needs to be done, you don't ask any questions. You don't ask how you feel. You don't ask how hard it is. You just keep pushing forward. Now, when I think about change, there's a lot of things, a lot of sayings that people say. But again, you need to ask, are you okay not changing? Are you okay keeping the same status quo? Are you okay sitting in this spot? Because a lot of times people are broke, they're not able paying bills, they could be vacated off the place, and they could lose a house. But when they need to change, improve themselves, change their situation, change themselves to change their station, for some reason it's very hard for that. So today I want to inspire to really write down all the things that you say about yourself, all the things, and then put half side in a positive and half side in negative. And I'll now question all those beliefs, those negative beliefs that you say about yourself. Oh, I don't feel motivated. Oh, I'm not a great salesman. Oh, I'm not that kind of person. Oh, I'm afraid of this one. And why is that? Where all those beliefs are coming from? Because to be honest, a lot of times those beliefs is coming from because you one mistake. You made one mistake, you one disappointment, and now because you made that one mistake, when you were not ready, you attach that belief and you start believing it. And you believe that so long that you really thought that this is exactly what it is. Because I am guilty of that as well. I was believing that for 32 years, I believed that I could never be a salesperson. And I questioned that. Why is that? Because when I tried sales and I was not ready and no one trained me how to do sales, I did a terrible job. And of course, now I realized that I had belief, negative belief that is not serving, and I needed to change it. And I was able to change. So that means that if I was able to change, that means you are able to change as well. So now, again, The main point of today is that a lot of times people say so many detrimental things about themselves, and number one thing that they need to do is that really decide to change those beliefs, decide to change their sentences, because if you want to change your life, you need to change the way how you speak about yourself and the way how you make decisions. So I hope you choose to win, and see you tomorrow.